Welcome to Satya Skills. In this video, we are going to learn about some basics on money market and some terms relating to money market. Money market deals with short-term funds in the form of monetary assets and instruments. Short-term instruments means those instruments which mature within a year. Any financial transaction that is for less than 1 year, it is a money market instrument. Example, bills of exchange, short-term loans such as call loans, etc. Money market is a network of relationships established by individuals, institutions, corporate bodies, government, etc. through any network of communication. These all are the members or players of money market. Money market deals with supply of funds including bills, government paper, promissory notes, call loans, etc. All these we can learn in detail under the heading of sub-markets in forthcoming videos. Money market instruments are liquid in nature and are almost equal to money. What is the meaning of liquid nature? An asset is called a liquid asset when it is able to get converted into cash without loss of time and value. Therefore, they are called near money. Money market balances efficiently the short-term surplus funds between surplus sector and deficit sector. It facilitates a convenient and safe outlet to individuals and institutions who hold investable funds. That means, if anyone is having surplus savings, they can very comfortably invest. Money market is the chief source of funds to meet short-term needs of different sectors in the economy. It provides all kinds of funds, only short-term funds, to meet temporary liquidity crisis in trade and service sector. Liquidity crisis means again the same meaning, that is need for immediate cash. It helps the government, banks, corporate entities, industries, farm sector, etc. in making quick adjustments to their surplus and deficit budget positions. It is an essential sector to industries which entirely rely on money market in meeting working capital needs comfortably. Working capital means the capital requirement for day-to-day activities of the industry or a company or a firm. Money market stimulates economic activities by facilitating flow of funds from surplus to borrowers at the reasonable cost with the assurance of safety. Absence of money market paralyzes the economic development. It means, suppose if we don't have money, ready cash in our hand, how we struggle, in the same way the economy struggles if there is no active money market. Money market is the central seat for all central banking activities. This again another video I will make to make it a very clear explanation about relation of money market and central bank. Money market play an important role in promotion of productive activities, and economic development of a country is usually judged from the activities of the money market. Thus, money market is a key sector in financial sector. There are some other functions of money market which are very broad. They are money market services and instruments stimulate the urge among the household units and units with surplus to save. That means money market motivates, inspires people to save. Money market transfers small and big savings into the most precious input of the economic development, that is capital. In developing countries like India, money market regulates and canalizes the limited funds to the most essential sectors and towards the area of national priority. Several times, money market rescues the government from temporary liquidity crisis. In money market, the government is the biggest borrower of short-term funds. Now, let us see how we get questions in the competitive exams. A model test. First question. On the basis of period of maturity of instrument, financial markets are broadly two types. What are they? A. Domestic and foreign markets, money and capital markets, exchange markets, all these. Correct answer B. Money market and capital market. Household savings are primarily dealt in dash market. A. Foreign exchange market, new issue market, money market. D. Stock market. Correct answer C. Money market. Money market deals with A. Near money, B. Dear money, C. Hard money, D. Currency. Correct answer A. Near money. Next question. Dash is a trade center for short-term monetary assets and instruments. A. Capital market, B. Commodity market, C. Share market, D. Money market. Correct answer D. Money market. Dash is the biggest borrower of short-term funds of money market. A. Government, B. RBI, C. Industries, D. Corporate sector. Correct answer A. The government. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching. All the best. God bless you.